You know this building. You may even pass it every day. But chances are you don't know what they do or their connections to SMSD, not the least of which is employing 2 of their graduates.
The Subsea Technology Division of Hunting manufactures 3 main product lines. Main product line is subsea couplings. They're used in all underwater connections, out in the oil, out in subsea underwater connections. We also do a valve product line and a chemical injection product line. Stafford MSD really takes a unique approach in how they look at students. They really focus on how to prepare them for life after school. Such is the case with these 2 guys. They really got into the welding department, learned the basic skills, which gave them the opportunity to start here at Hunting at entry-level positions, and really the opportunity to develop a whole career path for them.
In high school, I took this welding class for like 2 years or a year, and the teacher, he was a really good teacher, taught me a lot, and I was the top 2 students there, and they recommended me. Like, I was in vacation, you know, down in Washington, D.C., and I get this phone call, and I'm like, well, who is this from? And it was like, hey, Hunting's looking, you know, for welders and stuff. I was like, really? And I was just like, I'm in vacation right now. I can't really, you know, answer the call and accept, you know, the offer.
He was our first hiree, so it's kind of opened up the door for opportunities for potential other candidates. We've went over there and seen their weld shop and stuff like that. Met the welding teacher over there, so it's looking good for them.
I was working at a roofing company at the time, and then I went on going to college at the roofing company, and then I met up with Daniel again because we're captains together, so we kept in touch. And then I met up with him at a soccer game, watching his little brother. And then I told him, I'm like, hey man, like, I'm looking for a job. Like, it's like really hot outside, you know, looking for a job. And he was like, oh, I'm working here. I could put in the word for you and see if they're hiring. And I got lucky, and they were hiring. And they opened their hands to me, and they were willing to work with me, and I'm here.
But the high school really helped me a lot. You know, the teacher, I don't think he's there no more, but the teacher that was there, he was Mr. Puente. He was really good. Like, he taught me how, like, you know, MIG, TIG, ARC, and all that stuff, and like how to torch, you know, the plasma cutter, everything.
As far as the school goes, the school, I think, is really doing a good job on the basics. I think they are teaching, I want to say, a better basics than most that I've seen in the industry. So they're really doing well.
Being that our company is situated right across from Stafford, we've had the great opportunity to kind of develop a partnership between, you know, our company and the school district. Part of that partnership led to hiring their students. Is it part of a program? No, but it's a great opportunity for us to give business insight into the municipal school district to help develop the students coming up, because they are tomorrow's workforce for us.
For Spartan Spotlight, this is Randall Williams.